In the last episode of Running Waters, we hiked into the beautiful valley Husedalen in Kinsarvik in order to photograph the 4 beautiful waterfalls there: Søtefossen, Nykkjesøyfossen, Nykkjesøyfossen and Søtefossen. This was something I had been looking forward to for over a year.
Wow!
We camped next to Nykkjesøyfossen, photographed it and started the last hike towards Søtefossen, my favorite of the 4 falls. Little did I know, however, that Mother Nature had a small surprise for me at the top. And with that, I say welcome to Husedalen. Welcome to Running Waters.
Now I feel alright. Not a soul in sight. And right ahead, right here, is one of my favorite waterfalls. It's snowing. This is magical. Oh wow, look at this. This is great. I can't believe my luck. I got this waterfall completely covered in snow right now. It's pouring down. A lot of people have said to me over the years that, Oddbjørn, you're a really, really lucky guy. Everywhere you go, there's beautiful weather, beautiful sunsets, beautiful light, beautiful everything. I'm a firm believer that you create your own luck. I would have never have gotten this image if I weren't here. And what an image! You get this majestic waterfall coming down. It's 246 meters high, where the largest drop is 176 meters, and you get these beautiful lines of snow on the mountain coming down there, drawing your eyes towards this waterfall. And to top it all off, we get this beautiful snowy weather. This made my day. This made my day. And look there. Things are shaping up for the sunset. Maybe I am lucky. Ok, nå må vi springe borte. Nå må vi springe. Jeg vet ikke om jeg rekker det. Jeg vet ikke om jeg rekker det, men se hvor fint det er. Jeg håper jeg rekker det. I made it, barely. I ran from Søtefossen to here, and I didn't have time to worry about settings. I just put the camera on a tripod and I photographed some trees over there with a beautiful Lion King light, let's call it that, came from the top left corner of the frame, and you get these hillsides in the background. I really like that image. After a couple of minutes I got the chance to set up for a panorama, and when the light returns, which I'm fairly certain it will, I will take a panorama of this scene, and I think it's going to be great. Really looking forward to that. So close, so close. Come on. It's gonna come, it's gonna come. I know it, I know it. Well, I've been here an hour, and it looks like the conditions that are right now, those are the ones that's going to stay for the remainder of the evening, because the sun is setting in 5 minutes, and right now it's starting to blow really, really bad. So I'm gonna head back to the tent before I freeze to death. But it's been so fun just being here, looking at Søtefossen. I had forgotten how beautiful it was up here. So this has been a treat, just relaxing for an hour. All right, I'm gonna pack up. See you back down at the tent. It's never a bad morning when you wake up and you pop your head through the tent and the first thing you see is that. So good morning to you all. It was a bit of a cold night, but I've slept in worse. I got a good night's sleep, and I think my plan is to pack the camp together right now, and then I'm gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna start descending down towards the first waterfall, Søtefossen, because yesterday it was a really, really harsh light on the waterfall, and I was hoping for an overcast day, which I got, and that will give me a chance to redo that composition. So I'll get back to Søtefossen and photograph it once more, then go back to the car. I've decided to take the gravel road back down, and I know I did that in the last time I was here as well, but the reason I'm doing that is because in addition to film this for YouTube, I'm also filming it in Norwegian for my television series, so I need to show that side of the hike as well, the gravel road bit. So just bear with me. So this point right here is where the gravel road stops. And right behind me, as you can see, it's the forest. It's the forest we just walked through. And right behind that forest is Nykkjesøyfossen. That means you can park your car down at the parking lot and just walk the gravel road almost all the way up to Nykkjesøyfossen. Just a small detour through a forest and you're there. So if you're searching for a bit easier option, maybe the gravel road is a better option for you. Right behind me now is Nykkjesøyfossen, and in the last video we walked along the river and right to the side of that waterfall. So if you want to see that, you can check out that video right there. When traveling by the gravel road, you get to a point just down there where there's a vantage point and you can get a much clearer view of the whole waterfall. So I'm looking forward to see that. Also, there's a rock there which I call Thumbnail Rock, where you can climb on, you can take a picture of you and the waterfall, and it makes for a really good YouTube thumbnail. So this right here, this is Thumbnail Rock, and just look at that view. I'm getting really close to Søtefossen. I can hear the roar just down there. But as you may see, the clouds have parted and there's a clear blue sky and a lot of sun. So I'm basically back to where I was yesterday with a harsh light on the waterfall because the sun is placed almost identical to yesterday. So I'm not sure my idea for the composition will work today either because of the sun and the harsh light. Anywho, I'm gonna take this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching, and I have several trips planned for running waters, and if you want to see more waterfalls, more of Norway's nature, hit subscribe and that little bell if you want, because more is coming. Running waters is just getting started and I could not be happier. This has been a fantastic trip, a fantastic start for season 2. All right, thanks for watching, take care of each other, and I'll see you soon.